It says here we're going to simplify the expression m times by 5. So you want it written down as simply as possible, and in maths that means using almost as little ink as you can. M times by 5, we would normally write that down as 5m, and that's what they're looking for in that question. The next one, it says simplify fully this. Now in here I've got a's and I've got b's. I've got 2a there, and here I'm told to add on 3 more a's. Well, that would give me 5 a's altogether. And if I look at my b's, I've got a positive 5b, so a normal sort of 5b there, and I've got to take 2b off that 5b. Well, if I've got 5b's and I take 2 away, that leaves me with 3b's. So I write that down, and then you join them up with a plus sign. It certainly wasn't a negative amount of b's, so I put a plus sign in there. Then on the next question, you've got n stands for, that's what the represents means, n stands for an even number, and you've got to explain why n plus 1 times n minus 1 is always odd. Well, if n is an even number with 1 added to it will always take you up 1, and every time you go up 1 from an even number, you get an odd number. So this here is an odd number. We do know that about it. Now let's look at this bracket over here. If n is an even number, every time you go down 1 from an even number, for example, if the even number was 8 and I went down 1, I get 7, that's always an odd number as well. So I know here I'm doing a sum with an odd number and another odd number, and the brackets here means you're timesing those together. Now if you do an odd number times an odd number, you will always get as your answer an odd number. And if you write that statement down, you will get the full marks. And just as a quick example, one odd number times another odd number, 3 times by 5, that would give you 15, which is an odd number, just to show that that does work.